Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the short answer question in LC. The first question, what do you mean by e-business and what is the difference between the e-business and e-commerce? E-commerce is an electronic system of dealing in all the commercial activity which can be done through the medium of internet. These commercial activities include receiving information about the goods, placing an order, receiving delivery, making payment, etc. Under this system, the sale purchase of every type of things, information or service is possible. Whereas business is broad based terms and industry and commerce and its constitute. Industry include the production and related activities. Commerce include the trade and its auxiliaries. Trade means buying and selling. In short, we can say that industry and commerce combine to make a business. In this context, e-business means conducting of industrial and commercial activity through the computer network. And the difference between the e-business and e-commerce is commerce is a part of business. It can be safely stated that the scope of e-business is wider and than that of e-commerce. Beside the e-commerce, e-business include industry related activities such as production, inventory management, product development, accounting and finance, and human resources management. Buying and selling through the internet is called e-commerce. Second question, write a short note on knowledge processing outsourcing. KPO referred to obtaining the high-end knowledge work from the outside the organization in order to run the business successfully and in cost-effective manner. It occupy a higher end of BPO, unlike conventional BPO where the focus is on process expertise. Is KPO is focused on the knowledge expertise. In BPO there is a predetermined way to solve the problem, but in KPO there is no predetermined process to reach the conclusion, rather than it develop himself by the personal content. And the KPO company look after individuals who are homogeneous mix of specialized knowledge and English speaking attitude and work experience. In today's competitive environment, focus to be a concentrate on the core specialization area and out of sources the rest of the activities. Many companies have come to realize that by outsourcing the non-core activities, not only the cost are minimized efficiency and efficiently improved, but the total business improve because of the focus shift to the key growth area of the business activities. KPO is the upward shift of BPO. It focuses on the knowledge expertise instead of process expertise. It is output of the success of BPO sector. It provides all the non-core activities and it has no predetermined process to reach the conclusion. It offers a alternative career path for the educated. Next question, what do you mean by the outsourcing? Discuss its various features. Outsourcing refer to obtaining the some service from outsource the organization in order to the run business successfully and it cost effective manner. Means many activities have to be performed for the successful conduct of business. These activities include production, buy, selling, arranging finance, advertisement, corresponding, collecting debt after sale service to be a customer, etc. Some of these activities are performed by the business institutes itself. They are productions and buying and selling. There are some other activities from which the business institutes have to be alternative. Yes, first fulfillment with the organization, second fulfillment from the outside the organization. And it has the following features, means it involves contracting with another business or a person to do particular functions or business activities. Prior to the finalize the contract, many outsourcing related business bid up for the particular business activities, and the outsourcing business that suit the requirement of the bidder is select from the contract. And non-core business activities refer to activities that considered outside the normal or core activities and operational. Thank you.